First one is binary fission. What exactly is binary fission? See, there are two terms over here. Fission means division. One cell is gonna divide into two daughter cells. That is why we call it as binary. Binary means two, fission means division. It recalls me a person called as Mr. Ramak. Mr. Ramak is the one who discovered a technique called as amitosis. What exactly is amitosis? Condition where there is no formation of spindle fiber. If you recall mitosis, it is a process where you see spindle fibers being formed from opposite pole who will attach to chromosome and then pull them towards opposite pole. That formation of spindle fiber is avoided in amitosis. So binary fission is a kind of amitosis wherein a cell will divide into two daughter cells but there is no formation of spindle fiber. This binary fission is being explained in the textbook only with respect to definition and examples. But for NEET, we need to step ahead and talk about different types. Binary fission can be classified into following types: irregular fission, longitudinal fission, transverse fission, and then finally we have oblique fission. Irregular, longitudinal, transverse and oblique. What exactly is irregular? Name itself is telling you, the term is telling you that one cell, when it divides into two daughter cells, before dividing it's gonna increase its size. Once it increases its size, it will rapidly divide into two daughter cells. Now, purposefully I have drawn like this, one smaller cell, one bigger cell. You know why? Because it is irregular type of fission. And you all might have guessed the organism. It is amoeba. So amoeba, during favorable condition, when conditions are favoring this organism to reproduce and multiply fast, this organism initially is gonna increase its size. How is it increasing its size? Inside content, one nucleus will develop into two. Say around 50 mitochondria are there, they will develop into 100 mitochondria. Every cellular content will develop. It will be multiplied into two. So since it is doubling up, the size of the cell is also increasing. And then it will split into two unequal half cells. That is why it is known as irregular fission. Next is longitudinal fission. Condition where you see an organism dividing through longitudinal plane. By looking at the diagram, I guess you might have, understood the name of the organism. It is Euglena. Euglena, whenever it decides to divide through binary fission, it's gonna divide by longitudinal plane. Okay? Now, next is transverse plane. Condition where there is one organism who appears like paragon chapel. This organism has got multiple hair-like structure on its body. You all have studied about its character in first PU part or 11th standard part. I don't have to repeat it. So there is a gullet being present in the body. Now this organism, when it decides to divide by binary fission, it is gonna divide by transverse plane. Name of the organism is Paramecium. And finally, we talk about oblique fission. See, this part is not been specified in majority of the books. Since it has not been specified in majority of the books, I would suggest that you please note it. Oblique fission is a condition where organism would divide itself into two halves by oblique plane. Which are the examples? Dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are the ones who come in this picture. Whenever we are talking about some extra points which are not being specified in majority of the books, we would surely highlight this light so that it is denoting that it is something different than what you study in normal books. Thank you so much.